Right, so it's finally that time of the year when I actually make a video. So today I'm going to show you the top 10 best AI tools you can use anywhere, even at school. I'm sure all these tools are going to be useful and help you look like a pro. I think this video might actually be one of the most interesting I've done so far, so stick to the end to see all these insane tools. Have you ever wanted to make old photos look fresh and good? Well, this one is actually really cool because you can make these straight photos look brand new. I've noticed it's crazy, but listen. One thing that isn't really talked about is that you can actually make normal photos look higher quality, which is insane. This tool was made by merging info from two AI models to fill in the photo's missing details, with realistic detail in a few seconds, maintaining high quality. I left a link for every tool in the description, so make sure to check this out. I think this one is actually one of the most interesting and best AI tools out there. OpenAI made a tool which lets you create an image by writing text in natural language. You can obtain original, realistic images and art from the description you write. You can combine concepts and styles. It's pretty highly taught on the internet, a lot of people playing around with this and getting some pretty cool results. This one is for all the producers out there and for those who would like to remix songs. This tool allows you to split the vocals and the instrumental and download everything separately. This is insanely useful for those who want to make songs using the vocals or add your voice to the instrumental.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Right, so now for all the video creators out there, this tool will somehow help you make videos. I don't really consider it something to use to make great videos, but I guess it does the job. All you have to do for this to work is upload the transcript, which the AI will transform into a video with images and everything a video contains. It has the templates and all of the stuff you can use to create fast content. If you ever want to make a blog or a description for something really fast, this tool is for you. As the name says, all you have to do is copy some text and the AI will help you generate content for your social media. This can help you write Instagram captions, blog posts, descriptions and many more. All you have to do is write some text and the AI will generate content based on it. Alright, so for all of those who want to write notes but are too lazy to do it, I have the perfect solution. I bet the majority of you know about Notion, but for those who don't, it's one of the best note-taking apps out there. They made an AI tool that lets you write a description like most out there and make notes and everything you need. I don't know if I can really place it here because it's still not launched yet, so make sure to sign up on the waiting list. This AI tool became really popular on the internet when people began reacting to animated pictures of their parents and grandparents. This app will transform any photo of a person into an animated one. This is as cool as it is creepy because of you being able to do this with dead people. Anyways, I found this really interesting and fun to use, so surely give it a try. This tool is ultimately one of the most useless ones I've ever seen. I think if you all wanted to get a fast good profile picture with our pet or our face, this app will allow you to get a good free profile picture with a ton of background you can choose from. I'm actually so glad I found out about this. For all of the people that own brands or want to make a brand logo for free, this AI is one of the best for you. All you have to do is make 2 clicks and it's done. So all you have to do is type in your brand name and slogan, adding brand keywords so the AI knows what to make you. After the logo has generated, you can still edit the image and make it however you like, which is awesome. I've never thought I would see this, but I absolutely really like this one. I personally had a ton of problems trying to make up names for social media or random stuff, and I'm sure there are a lot of people facing this problem. A lot of the famous people made their names about something they like or favorite characters. The AI tool lets you generate a name by just writing some keywords and a description. It comes with a lot of results and lets you choose how you want your name to be. I wish I knew about this before I created this channel, it's too good. These tools are honestly like so interesting and I really enjoy finding out about this stuff. So if you like seeing and learning from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because it helps me so much. I would love to hear what's your opinion on all of this in the comments, so make sure to share your thoughts. This was AMX and I'm out, peace.